2011 Camaro, the before exhaust system. So that's a rectangular. We just go from the round muffler tips, stop and quiet, to MagnaFlow bullet mufflers. Yeah, rev it up. Again. There. Alright, this is our after shot coming up. Fill the voids with oval tips, MagnaFlow, dual bullet mufflers. Left the resonators alone. No more resonator, put in an X-pipe, give more horsepower, give more sound, stainless steel extensions. There you go, louder, there you go. All right. Come on, give me a thumbs up. Cody did.